Welcome back. Previously, we were discussing about matrices and operations of matrices, under which we almost covered addition and subtraction of matrices. Let us discuss some of the other operations that comes under matrices. Next case, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. By the term scalar means elements within a matrix that are equal are known as scalar. That means 3 or 4 number of items within a matrix may be equal number. And multiplication of a scalar or multiplication of a matrix by a scalar means let A be a matrix and K is considered to be a scalar. Then the matrix obtained by multiplying every element of A by K is said to be the scalar multiple of A by K. This is denoted by K into A, or otherwise known as Ka. We will discuss about in detail the concept of multiplication of a matrix by a scalar through a practical example. Here A and B are two matrices. It is a case of 2 into 3 order because both matrices consisting of 2 rows and 3 columns. You are asked to find 2A minus 3B. So it's a case of multiplication of matrix by a scalar because here 2A minus 3B. So first of all you need to find what is meant by 2A. 2A means 2 into A. Here A is a matrix. See, it's a 2 into 3 order matrix, and 2A means 2 into A. And it is a case of scalar matrix. See, here 2A can be found out by multiplying matrix A with 2. So here the 2 will be a scalar value, that is, it is a common number that has to be multiplied with each element within a specific matrix. This concept of multiplication is known as multiplication by a scalar. Scalar means same number or equal number. Here 2 is a number that is a common number, and that it has to be multiplied with each element within a matrix. So here A means 2, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, 5. In the question you are asked to find 2A minus 3B. Earlier you know how to find subtraction, and we have dealt with the similar case like A minus B, but this is the situation where 2A minus 3B. So finding out 2A minus 3B, first you need to find 2A. 2A is the concept of multiplication of matrix by a scalar. So here it is 2 into matrix A means 2 into 2, it will be 4, 2 into 3, it will be 6, 2 into 1, it will be 2, 2 into 0, it will be 0, 2 into minus 1, it will be minus 2, and finally 2 into 5, it will be 2 times. So now you got 2A, that is the value of 2A matrix is this one. Likewise, you need to find the next one, 3B. 3B means 3 into B matrix. B matrix is this one. So 3 into B matrix means 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, and 3 into 3, 9. So now you have the value of 2A as well as 2B. In the question you are asked to find 2A minus 3B. So it's a case of subtraction case, and we have dealt the same situation in the previous slide. So 2A means this one, this matrix, minus 3B means this matrix. So it is first matrix minus second matrix. So by using the basic mathematical operation of subtraction between matrices, you will get this matrix where first matrix, each element of first matrix has to be subtracted with its corresponding element in the second matrix. And I hope you all guys know how to find the subtraction of two matrices. So by solving this matrix, you will get the final matrix. It's a 2 into 3 order, 1, 0, 5, 0, 1 and 1. So the answer of 2a minus 3b is this one. This is how you have to find the value of the statement asked in the question. I hope you understand the concept of the matrix. It is a case of multiplication of matrix by a scalar. In the question, you are asked to find the subtraction between two types of matrices. But in order to do the subtraction, you have to perform a function, that is multiplication of matrix by a scalar. I hope you understand the concept. Let us discuss some of the other cases that comes under this heading. Next one, if A is a 2 into 2 matrix, that is 2, 3, 1 and 2, and B is also another 2 into 2 matrix, that is 4, 2, 1 and 3, you are asked to find 6A minus 3B. So actually you are asked to find the subtraction between two matrices, but in order to find the subtraction, you need to find the matrix, that is 6A and 3B. This 6A and 3B is a case of multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. So in order to find 6A, that means 6 into A. So 6A, that is 6 into A means 6 into matrix A. 6 to 12, 6 3 18, 6 1 6 and 6 2 12. Similarly, you have to find the other case 3B, that is you have to multiply the 3 with each element of matrix B. So you will get 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 1, 3 and 3 into 3, 9. So now you have two matrices, that is matrix 6A and 3B, by using the multiplication of matrix by a scalar. In the both cases, the scalars were one is 6 and another is 3. So 6A minus 3B means by subtracting these two matrices, you will get 0, 12, 3 and 3. I hope you understand this step, because it's a case of subtraction of matrices and we have dealt the same scenario in the previous sessions. So just go through it. So the answer is 0, 12 and 3, 3. So this is how you have to deal with the matrices or multiplication of matrix by a scalar situation. Actually, multiplication of matrix by a scalar is only covering this area alone. In this question, by using that particular operation, you are asked to find the subtraction between different cases depending upon the statement asked in the question. Next case, you are given three matrices. First one A, that is it's a 3 into 3 matrices because it consists of 3 rows and 3 columns. Next one, it's a B, it's again a 3 into 3 matrix. And finally it is C, it's also a similar case, that is 3 into 3 matrix. Let's see what it is asked to find. You are asked to find 4 into 7A minus 2B minus 3C. Okay, in this question there are 4 scalars because 7A, here the 7 is a scalar, 2B, here 2 is a scalar, 3C, here 3 is a scalar, and overall you have 4. So first of all you need to find what is in the 7A, 2B and 3C, and based on the matrices you have found, you will have to find the new matrix by subtracting each matrices within this bracket, and after that you need to again multiply the final matrix with 4. Okay, let's try to find the value or answer of this question. Okay, you are asked to find, or you are asked to determine the matrix by solving this statement. So before going to that, first of all let's find the new matrices, that is 7A, 2B and 3C. So 7A means, as we have discussed earlier, here A is this one, 7a means you need to multiply 7 with each element within this matrix. So 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 1, 7, 7 into minus 3, minus 21, 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 0, 0, and 7 into 4, 28. So now we have the matrix 7a. Likewise, you have to find 2b as well as 3c. 2b is also a similar situation. Here matrix b is this one. So 2b means you need to multiply 2 with each element within this matrix. That is 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 3, 6, and again 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 0, 2, 0, 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 9, 18, and 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. Similarly, you need to find 3c by multiplying 3 with each element of c. 3, 4, 12, 12, 12, 3 into 5, 15, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into 0, 0, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 1, 3. So now we have the matrices that are computed on the basis of multiplication of matrix by scalar. So we have 7a, 2b, and 3c. But in the question you are asked to determine 4 into 7a minus 2b minus 3c. So let's deal with the statement. As per the statement, let's take the subtraction of these three matrices which we have found. So 7a minus 2b minus 3c can be computed by using the basic mathematical operation of matrix which we have learned in the previous slides, that is subtraction of a matrix. Previously we learned that whenever you have to deal with addition or subtraction of a matrix, where if there are more than two matrices are there, in that case we dealt like dividing the entire section into two parts. You first take the addition or subtraction of first two matrices, then you will get a new matrix, and with that new matrix you will add or subtract with the next remaining matrix given in the bracket. That was a step that was followed in the last case. But today we will discuss another type of computation. Here we are taking the subtraction of all these three matrices within the bracket at the same time. So it will be like this. 7a minus 2b minus 3c means the first element of 7a, that is 14. The first element of 2b, that is 6. First element of 3c is 12. Likewise, you need to do the same procedure for each and every element of all these three matrices. Likewise, you will get a statement or matrix like this. I hope you understand the concept and how we are going to continue the further steps. So by taking each element of each matrices and subtracting to each other, you will solve this matrix into this one. So by solving 7a minus 2b minus 3c, you will get minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 7, 10, minus 31, minus 11, minus 27, and 27. Now we have the value or the matrix of matrices that are within the brackets. Next, in the question you are asked to determine 4 into these three matrices within the bracket. So the value of the matrices within the bracket or subtraction of these matrices within the bracket is, you will get a new matrix, this one. And the question you are asked to find 4 into this bracket. So this matrix represents these matrices within the bracket. So you just need to multiply 4 with this one to get the value of this statement. So 4 into this 4, you will get minus 16. 4 into minus 4, you will get minus 16. 4 into minus 4, again minus 16. 4 into minus 7, minus 28, 4 into 10, 40, 4 into minus 31, minus 124, 4 into minus 11, minus 44, 4 into minus 27, minus 108, and 4 into 27, 108. So this is how you have to deal with a matrix where you have to multiply a specific matrix with a scalar, and it is quite easy to find a scalar case. Just whenever you come across a question like where a matrix is associated with any number, so it will be a case of a scalar. So you have to just multiply that number with that specific matrix. That is a function of scalar. All other operations are basic matrix operations, and we will discuss about further cases of matrices in the coming session. Thank you.